Hello everyone. So today we are going to be talking about cheap, affordable prescription color contacts that actually look real. Like when I say real, I'm talking someone can literally come up right close to your face and they literally would not be able to tell that you're wearing lenses. Like this is how real I'm talking. Side note guys, sorry about my voice. I have been sick for the past week, but I'm just still super excited to talk about these extremely realistic lenses. So I specifically picked these Pears because they are super affordable, like the most competitive pricing in the market, but they're super high quality. Okay, so look no further if you're looking for lenses to rock your summer or even winter if you're watching at a later date. This is the video for you. So when I say realistic, I'm talking no bug eye effect, and if you don't know what that is, it's when you see people wearing lenses and you can actually tell because they have a crooked pupil hole and they look like they have fish eyes or crooked eyes and it just looks really fake. That's how you can tell people are wearing lenses, like immediately. All of these lenses do not have that, like absolutely zero bug eye effect. Okay, so let's get into this selection, you guys. So the first is ColorCL Iris Pear. This is literally one of my go-to gorgeous warm toned green hazel lenses. It's so beautiful. It goes fantastic against a warm skin tone. So if you have dark olive, tanned, or yellow undertone skin like myself, these lenses will look absolutely phenomenal on you. When you come up close, you'll see that they have a beautiful streak and striation patterning to mimic an iris, makes them look so real, and they literally have zero bug eye effect because of the blended pupil hole. Next is Iris Cocoa. I absolutely love the new Iris Cocoa they just released. It has such a beautiful glowy sheen effect to the eyes. It's very subtle. It just subtly lightens your eyes and gives them an iridescence and a glow that really only you would notice that you're wearing lenses. Nobody else literally will be able to tell. They just enhance the natural color of your eyes. That's what I love about these lenses. Again, they have that beautiful streak and striation patterning to mimic a natural iris. These also have a smaller graphic diameter. They're not enlarging, just so you know they're more hydrocore style. No limbo ring, and look how beautifully blended the pupil hole is. Just beautifully melds with your natural eye underneath to create this overall glowy light brown effect. So these last two pairs that I mentioned, I highly recommend for medium brown eyes just because they do have a lower opacity. So they will definitely show up on medium brown eyes. Now, if you have very dark brown eyes, I would recommend the Halo pair from ColorCL. This is like a more pigmented, more bold version of the Iris pair we looked at. It's more enlarging and it will just show up more. They're brighter. You can also wear these if you have medium brown eyes and you just prefer brighter lenses. But again, they have that beautiful warm toned green color. I love this color. They really warm up the face. The patterning is a little bit more noticeable. It's still that beautiful streak and striation patterning just because it does have more pigment. And then these also have a larger graphic diameter, so they are going to make your eyes look larger and rounder if you like that look in a lens. These lenses you can dress up, you can use a lot of warm tone makeup. They will go with all kinds of styles and outfits, like they're very versatile, the color of them. So Halo Pear is definitely one of my go-to lenses that I frequently recommend to people with very dark brown eyes as well as medium brown eyes. So all of these lenses are so affordable. They are 6-month prescription lenses, and if you use my discount code Danica10, you can get them for just $13.50 US per pair. Amazing prices, you guys. And I will link all these lenses in the description along with the coupon codes. Now, the next lenses are a little bit more flavor, I would say, but they still don't have that bug eye effect. They have a half moon patterning. And the first one is called Envy Green by ColorCL. This is more of like a mint neutral green, so it will go with either warm tone or cool tone skin. I really like this color just because it is a little bit brighter than, say, the Iris Pear, for instance. It shows up more, especially if you do a lot of filming or you take a lot of pictures. Just keep that in mind. It films really well as takes pictures really well. I will often wear these lenses when I'm filming TikTok videos, and I've gotten tons of comments with these lenses because they are very stunning. They do stand out because of that half moon patterning, okay? So it makes it look like your eyes are glowing from within or reflecting light. I love that patterning because it's unique and playful, but it still doesn't look fake because it doesn't have the bug eye effect. And then I also really like their Nude Brown. Again, it's a brighter, more pigmented lens. It shows up more. So this is more of a cool toned brown with a gray undertone. So it actually does suit cooler skin tones more, but you can still definitely pull it off if you have a warm skin tone, just because brown is a warm tone color in general. So again, these are a beautiful pair of light brown lenses. They're really gonna lighten the eyes, give them more of like a bright, cool tone brown eyed look. You're gonna be able to see this lens, notice it from like a talking distance, or if you're filming or taking pictures. Again, it's more bright, it shows up more, but then it has that half moon pattern, which again makes your eyes look like they're reflecting light. So these lenses are a little bit more pricey because they are premium, but I wanted to give you the option. The premium lenses literally have 100 times more moisture than standard lenses. They're made of a better quality material that more closely resembles human tissue. So if you have sensitive eyes or eyes that dry out really fast with lenses, this is definitely a lens to consider. So for the premium 100 times more moisture, these lenses are $18 US per 6-month pair with my discount code DANICA10. Again, I will link them in the description. So that's it from ColorCL, you guys. Next, I want to talk about Just4Kira. They have made the best collection. I'm telling you guys, like, I am so floored. I have been wearing the Just4Kira lenses so much lately. So the first color from Just4Kira is the Asa Blue. I have gotten so many comments on my channel about this particular color, how good it looks on all types of eyes, how beautiful the blending is, how beautiful the color is. So the color is like a neutral tone blue on the outside, but then it fades into this gorgeous caramel brown over top. So it's like a caramel brown blue color. It is absolutely gorgeous. It shows up, it's bright enough, but then it doesn't have that bug eye effect. And it has a blue limbo ring just to highlight the color. Side note, I actually saw a little girl who literally had a dark blue limbo ring. So blue limbo rings are actually a thing. Sometimes they are natural. I was really shocked. Like, I was kind of probably looking a little weird, like looking at her so much, because I just couldn't believe that her limbo ring was actually blue, but they're actually a thing and they really are real. This contact has that, and I love the caramel brown light color in the center. It brightens the eye like the perfect amount. Next is Asa Green. Again, I have gotten tons and tons of really positive comments about Asa Green. It is a gorgeous neutral toned green lens. Like, in some lighting it looks warm tone, but then in some lighting it looks cool tone. It's really versatile, so it will go with absolutely any skin tones, any features. It is one of the brightest natural lenses you will find on the market that does not look fake. Like, it looks so real in person, so real on film, on pictures, but it's bright. Like, it's really bright because it's hard to find green lenses that are actually bright and you can really notice that don't look fake. So these have a beautifully blended pupil hole. There's a lot of color grading going on, a lot of different shades of green when you come up close and look. And then it has slight streaks to mimic an iris and more of like a cloudy pattern. And then last, you guys, is the Asa Brown. I'm telling you, the Asa collection from Just4Kira is their most realistic and natural collection they offer right now, so definitely check it out. The Asa Brown is this gorgeous yellow golden toned light brown. So if you're into the yellow toned browns, the light brown that look amazing against a warm or caramel skin tone. Like, they look so good. It really warms the face up and you look like so exotic and like alluring. This color makes you look very alluring, really like glows up the face. Very simple design, not really much going on with the color gradient. It's really just that beautiful one-toned golden brown color. Again, no bug eye effect because they completely blur the pupil hole with your natural iris underneath, so you don't have that fake look whatsoever. And these are more hydrocolor style. I don't really see much of a limering with these lenses. So these lenses, again, are super competitive price-wise. These are yearly lenses, okay? And you can get them for $29 US per yearly prescription pair. But then if you use my discount code Danica10, you get an additional 20% off. So that's quite a bit. So it's gonna knock these lenses down to like 20 something dollars per yearly pair. That's extremely competitive. Like, you're not gonna find any more affordable than that, and get high quality, safe lenses. And if you guys like color contact reviews, literally my whole channel is about color contact reviews. I do all new collection reviews, and then I do my monthly favorites. So if you're into that, subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.